We've got a killer Firebird, 1968 Firebird with a built 455 performance motor that I'll be showing you in a little bit. Body off frame restored. There's a 4-speed, there's a posi, pearl white interior. This is a fun little toy right here. And look at all the documentation that comes with it. The receipts go on and on. Engine specs, you name it, it's all right here. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can take your time and read the information about the car. Look at about 100 pictures top to bottom. And that's where you find a price tag on every car along with the monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. For right now, tops down, join me, let's go for a spin. So it's a subframe. Actually, everything was removed from the bottom of the car. The suspension, the exhaust, everything, and it was all redone. There's so much stuff here that I'm going to cheat and use my notes. I know they put in a complete one-piece reproduction floor pan. So it's not sectioned, it's not pieced in, it's the entire floor pan with the braces already attached. So it's all new, zero rust, new floors. Suspension's completely redone. Up front is upgraded with tubular control arms. It has gas shocks all the way around. I mean, all new steering controls, bushings, ball joints, you name it. New rear leaf springs, bushings, upgraded sway bar in the back. The brake system's been completely redone, has drilled and slotted discs up front. E-brake is all hooked up. It has a pipes stainless steel exhaust system with the X-pipe. Has the sideways muffler, transverse muffler they call it. That's the way they came. And it goes back into two pipes. Also, when they put the floor pan in, they sealed it with undercoat and then cleared over that. Let's see, what am I missing? The steering box was rebuilt, new rag joint. The fuel lines and brake lines are stainless steel. The fuel tank and the sending unit were replaced. You look up at the motor, nice clean Pontiac blue, has a high torque starter, has a rebuilt M21 Muncie 4-speed with a zoom clutch and a Hurst Competition Plus shifter. It's a 10-bolt rear end, completely rebuilt with 308 posi gears. So that wraps up the underside. Also, it has frame connectors tying the front to the back so you get less flexing and twisting. So everything under the car is new, including the floors. Now let's check out the body. I'll be honest, I haven't really looked at it yet. I've walked around it. So this is straight. Oh, there's a little door dent right here. I don't know if our dent guy can get to that one or not. We can ask him. It's smooth along the bottom here. Fits real nice. Lines are nice. No bubbles. This all lines up really good. Straight. It's repainted its original Vedoro Green. There's a real popular color for 1968 Pontiac. All nice and smooth. Down here. It all looks good. The door sticks out a hair, just a little bit. It lines up good. No rust. Actually, they replaced the quarter panels, the door skins, the fenders, the front valance, the wheel houses. So they replaced a lot of metal on the car, so there should be no rust in the car at all. So the paint, it looks really nice. There's chip right here on the corner. This hood does seem to bow up a little bit. It's a little high in the middle, but it's sitting pretty flush. I think the whole thing can be pulled down a little bit. It is the Firebird 400 scooped, dual scooped hood. You might have noticed it has a hood tachometer too. That is a Pontiac option. It was added to this car. It's brand new. But the green metallic paint looks good. It's shiny. Yeah, this gap is a little big up here, and then it gets really tight back here. So the alignment of the hood is not the best. Not the worst, but not the best either. The paint looks nice. There is a chip right up here at the corner edge of the door. So some minor imperfections. The trunk is a slightly different shade of color. They might have had to repaint the trunk for whatever reason. It's just a shade off. So the bumpers are new. All the emblems were replaced. It has 14x7 rally wheels with new trim, the correct Pontiac lug nuts, new BF Goodrich tires. The convertible top, there's pictures of it on our website. It's a power top. The pump, the rams, the hoses were all replaced. The weather strips were all replaced on the top and the car itself. The window seals up on top were replaced. Door handles, mirror were replaced. Windshields new. Stainless trim around the windshield's very good. The front bumper and the grills were replaced. They also put a front spoiler on down there. So it's a good looking car. Why don't we give you a tour of the inside? Okay, let's see what we got. Well, underneath the trunk lid is painted real nice, has a sticker. Jam is painted slick. The weather strip is replaced. And the inside of the trunk compartment's all metal, spatter painted nice. Has a new well liner. You can't see it, but it has new wiring harness. It has a new latch. The jams were all painted, and like I said, the weather strips were replaced and the sill plates. It's a pearl white interior, which I think looks great against the dark green. Door panels and armrests, window cranks, it all looks like it was replaced. The dash area is real nice, the dash pad, the knobs, the vents. The receipts go on and on with all the little doodads. That's a 160 mile an hour speedometer. It actually looks brand new. It's got 1,000 miles since the restoration. Then it has the gauge cluster. If you peek out front there, that's the hood tachometer. Firebird comes with a nice wood grain trim. It's a retro stereo with a little microphone, so it must be voice controlled. This whole heater control panel is replaced. They slide easily. Kick panels are new. The vents, all this is nice. Reproduction mats, new carpet. New 4-speed console. It's also a new deluxe wheel on a tilt column. Seats reupholstered. The front seats are recushioned. The back seats are reupholstered. They didn't cushion them. They really should have. You can definitely reuse this upholstery. An upholstery shop will have this off in 15 minutes. They put new cushions in and then put the upholstery back on. The side panels, all that's redone. So real nice interior, nice visors, nice mirror. The clutch and brake pedal and e-brake assembly was replaced. So I couldn't read all the receipts, but the list just kept going and going and going. So it is a 1970, according to the notes, a 1970 455 HO motor, been completely rebuilt. All sorts of good stuff in there. Keith Black pistons, Eagle crank and rods, Kaufman aluminum, Kaufman Racing aluminum heads. It's an Edelbrock aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carburetor with electric choke. Has an HEI ignition system hiding back there. Nice chrome plug wire holders. It's Ram Air 3 exhaust manifolds. And then the engine bay, all nice, smooth, clean metal. It's probably all new. Champion aluminum radiator with the shroud and the clutch fan. All the pulleys and brackets and alternator, regulator. Everything in here looks new. It's got a new power brake assembly with the cadmium booster. New wiring, hood insulation. It's a really pretty nice motor compartment. Love the sound of that exhaust. Kind of sounds like a hybrid of a sports car and a muscle car. I bet this little thing really wants to scoot with that 455. there's been so much work done to this car. There's more that will be listed on our website. Things like the heater core, the whole heater box was removed from the car and restored. The heater core was replaced, the blower was replaced. The list just goes on and on. It's got roller rockers, it's got a comp cam. So do go to the website where you can read some more information. And then once you get the car, you read through that thick pile of stuff, I'm sure you'll find even more because I didn't read every page. We've serviced the car. We spent $1,000, just miscellaneous things like reverse lights and when the windows weren't rolling up properly, just some miscellaneous stuff like that. So it should be serviced, ready to go. With that motor and a 4-speed and this little convertible, someone's going to have a lot of fun. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help you finance it. They'll help get it delivered to your door at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that way you're first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.